Okay, like the video I did earlier that I uploaded, I want to show you, I want to tell you guys that you can actually use the free $10 to mine. Okay, you can actually use the free $10 to mine. Okay, so this is my own $10 which was given to me, okay, for signing up. Okay, I haven't withdrawn it because the minimum withdrawal is $100, is small. So all you have to do is go to the three line you're seeing up there, which is this one here. Okay, then you're going to see this dashboard. You're going to take it to this dashboard. So when it takes you to this dashboard, all you have to do is to click on packages. Okay, click on these packages. Okay, after clicking on it, okay, you're going to see different packages. You see hot, which is $10. Okay, so you're going to see this one right here. Okay, which is at $10. The first one you're saying is $10,000. You say this is for 1 day, okay, for 24 hours. Okay, primary mining contract price is $10. So you're gonna use the $10 which was given to you to get 0.8 cents, okay, for a day. So all I did was to click on this. I did the video the first, so I didn't show you guys on how to start mining. So here is the mining. You see, this is the contract price. Okay, I'm already active mining this. Okay, so you're seeing here contract price $10 and contract price is $10, contract profit 0.8 cents. Okay, fixed return 10 plus 0.8. Okay, they're gonna be sending back to your um to your to your address. So you're gonna be mining this every single day. Okay, every 1 day. So let me say after tomorrow, let me say tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know if after today of me mining this I can actually mine again, so with that same 10 or with all the amount. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so as you can see, this is 1 day. Daily return is a daily return. Okay, every day. Okay, daily rate is 8%. Preferred reward I haven't gotten yet except you. So as you can see, I'm just going to click on start now. Okay, you said this package can only buy up to 1. Okay, copy. So already I'm see, as you can see, I'm active. Okay, so it's just 1 time you're gonna buy. So see you next time tomorrow.